Hello, dear friends. Today I'm gonna show you something about solar energy. So I think this is the future for all of us. It's not good enough anymore. Petrol, diesel, even gas energy. So this is, I think, the future. I've seen some houses. They got something like these solar panels already. This is a train coming. Yeah, there are hundreds and hundreds of solar panels here, and I think it's a very good idea. So it's somewhere out of London here. So yeah, all of us, I think we need to think again, rethink again about how we're gonna invest in our houses to don't pay gas, electricity anymore, because the cost of gas and electricity is getting higher and higher and higher. If you invest in some of them solar panels, in a few years you're gonna cover the cost, I think. Right, see you next time. Bye.